My secret ingredient is adaptability. So I think adaptability is probably the single most important tool you can have in your ammunition. If you can adapt to something that's happened during the day, if you can take something that's bad and turn it into something good and change your attitude, then you are never going to fail. So that's my number one. Second one is a healthy sense of humor. I think without a sense of humor, we are all in very big trouble. A sense of humor can take the edge off anger. It can take a little bit of the sadness out of grief. And it can take a little bit of the storm out of fear. Just by smiling at someone, having a laugh, and not taking yourself too seriously. And the third one is coffee.